Okay, I'm in the process of doing all my last week's videos, so it's gonna take a little bit of time. Very busy week last week, running boats back and forth to Hilton Head for the Heritage Golf Tournament. But I had some time to take care of this piece of granite. I got cut. It's been sitting in the back of my truck for about 2 weeks now. So I ripped the, it's gone. I started up in my truck. I ripped the old sink out, which was oval, and I bought a new piece of granite and a square sink, rectangle sink. So I had to do some modifications here to get that to sit in here properly. I'm using, this is a Hatteras, and they're just built like crazy. So this piece of wood actually traverses all the way back underneath here, basically to the bulkhead. When I did the VIP, I made the mistake of trying to take this counter out here and then putting the granite directly on top of the cabinet. A huge, colossal pain in the butt, and really in the end wasn't worth it. So now what I do is I literally make this white piece of linoleum or formica a reveal, and I come 1.5 inches out with the granite. So basically this gets covered up and it's almost like a chamfer, and it blends into this, and you really can't tell the difference. I did it in the Master and a couple other boats, and it keeps the structure of the countertop as well, because like I said, everything is all put together here. So I got this cut out. I just had to notch this and this out for the brackets for the sink. When I cut this out, I did some reckless abandonment and just basically just cut every single thing in sight. So, you know, quick job turns into probably should have looked, but I couldn't see it underneath here and didn't think I was that deep. But I cut it that deep. So now I've got to cut all of this wire out and redo all of this wire. So I'm going to do that now. Drop the countertop back on with some 4200, and that should keep it in place. And put the faucet in, make my connections, and we should be good to go. All right, so I've got my plumbing connections because it's just easier, and then all I got to do is just screw in these compression fittings up onto the faucet when I put that in. Notched out here and here, and I have fixed all my electrical issues. So I'll tie all this stuff back up to the wall in a minute when I put the top back on. But all the electrical's done, which we didn't have to do, but plumbing's ready to go. Countertop is clean and prepped and ready to go. Again, I'm just putting like a 3M adhesive on here. It's not really going to go anywhere unless I plan on ripping it straight up. So I found that it works just pretty good, and don't really have to worry about it too much. So I'm going to go ahead and pretend like I'm really strong. Lift this up on here. I'm going to butter up this side so I can move it around on here without sliding it all the caulk or glue back in that direction. So it's just a little bit easier to manipulate, and I'm going to dry fit it first too, just to make sure that those notches work perfectly. All right, well, 30 seconds later, I've got this mocked up, dropped in. It's a perfect fit. Everything looks really nice. So I can lift this back up again, and then I'm going to put the caulk glue down, whatever, 3M product, and we'll set on that. I'll put just a little tiny white bead down along there just to clean that up and make that look good and finished. And that should be pretty much about it. Should take me 15 minutes to throw the faucet on, and we're ready for wallpaper. So I may redo that light there too. I did that in the Master as well. Came out pretty nice. This is kind of old looking, so probably I'll throw that on the project list as well. But looks really nice with the floor. So I forget what this is called, but it's got a nice coloring to it. So got some grays and beiges and greens, and just nice. Cool. And we're done. So water works, drain works, there are no leaks. Just turn back on the water. Caulking. So in this one job, I was just thinking about this. In this one job, I've done carpentry, plumbing, electrical, design, caulking, which is a trade in itself, manhandling stuff. So lots of trades go into just installing this. And again, as like a working captain and somebody that is a captain slash engineer that does this every day, this is what we do. And you gotta have a lot of knowledge with a lot of stuff in order to do it and pull it off right, because otherwise you're calling 15 different trades, and that adds up real quick. So one of the benefits of us managing a yacht for you is that most times I don't have to call anybody. We can manage it as well as we can do it. We can take care of it, and that saves our clients a ton of money. So, you know, 5 or 6 different trades, all rolled up into one, just on replacing a countertop. So job's done. Went real smooth, nice and easy. I'm gonna just vacuum everything up. So cleaning is another trade. So I'm gonna clean this up and add 7 trades to it. Oh, and wallpaper. I got a wallpaper next. So that's like 8 trades just in this one. Lighting, 9 trades. Got to do a light, 9 trades. So lots of stuff going on. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. If you guys want to see something that I haven't done yet, or you're interested in, or want me to go back to, please let me know in the comments. I respond to every single comment that comes in. I do it personally. So I'd like to know what you guys want to see, what you're interested in, or what questions you have. Be happy to answer them. Leave them down below. So thanks a lot for watching.